హలో. ఓకే.
వాటెవర్ అంటే దీంతో పాటు ఏమైనా రైటప్ ఉన్నా సరే
Yeah,
అదర్వైజ్
best. So the first thing is we are supporting on a recordings purpose.
ఓకే
Okay. You will be getting the recordings after the sessions. You'll be getting those recordings. That is the one part. Second part is where just yeah. Second part is you'll be having this. There is a document. Right now, I shared with this. I think I have the respective documents. Okay, where while explaining only, I'll write or I'll put it everything in this document.
జస్ట్ లైక్ ద బోర్డ్.
Exactly. Whatever the topic is, I'll be explaining on the document, and this is a dedicated. So and for the assignments also, there will be a separate document. For everyone assignment purpose. So this is specially for the assignment, so that whatever the assignment, there are multiple assignments. Whatever the assignments you do, it will be on the single page instead of having too many sheets and all. I'm just putting this, and there is a obviously right now we are also on the back end working on the LMS kind of a platform, especially for uploading the whatever that you asked, right? The content, or the presentations. So whatever the material will is required, that right now we have been working. We started working on it. It will take some time, but yeah, that's the one way. Also, we are supporting. Got it, Andy?
Yes, sir.
Any other questions or any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so Divya, I hope you understand, right? So my suggestion is to go with the assignments, pending assignments. Let's try to
Okay, sir.
finish them so that you will get a hands-on. So digital marketing
Okay, sir.
area, if you did not try, okay, or if you did not put into practice, doesn't matter how many things you learn, okay.
Okay.
That is the case. There are thousands of lakhs of YouTube videos, but it won't work in that way. Okay, you need to practice, and while you are doing the practice, if you face any issue, you can always. That's the best way to learn.
Okay, sir.
Okay, instead of
నాట్ హియర్ సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు కీవర్డ్స్ కానీ లేదంటే ఆఫ్ పేజ్ ఆన్ పేజ్ లో మనం అసైన్మెంట్ చేసినప్పుడు వి డు హ్యావ్ ఏ వన్ వెబ్సైట్ ఫర్ మన చాలా అప్పుడు అసైన్మెంట్ చేయడానికి.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. మీకు వెబ్సైట్ లేదు అంటున్నారు, అదే అంటున్నారా?
ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మనం అప్పుడు అంటే కీబోర్డ్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుందన్న లేదా ఆఫ్ పేజ్ ఆన్ పేజ్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది.
లెట్స్ డూ వన్ థింగ్. ఐ థింక్ నేను చాలా మంది చెప్తున్నాను, బట్ యూ గైస్ ఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ విత్ ద పర్చేసింగ్ ద డొమైన్ అండ్ హోస్టింగ్ ఇనిషియల్లీ. అంటే మీరు ఇనిషియల్ గా పర్చేస్ చేస్తే ఇట్స్ హార్డ్లీ టేక్స్ సమ్ 2000-3000 రూపీస్ ఫర్ ఇయర్. ఓకే, ఐడియల్ గా అయితే అంటే మీరు లాంగ్ టర్మ్ లో ఆలోచిస్తే ఐ విల్ సజెస్ట్ ద సేమ్. బట్ మీరు అంటే సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి నాకు సంథింగ్ రావాలంటే దెన్ దెర్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ కాల్డ్ ఫ్రీ వర్డ్ ప్రెస్ వెబ్సైట్. యూ జస్ట్ సర్చ్ ఇన్ ద గూగుల్ ఫ్రీ వర్డ్ ప్రెస్ వెబ్సైట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. You just search in the Google free WordPress website, then you'll get this link, make a free WordPress website. So if you don't want to be too serious right now, and if you just trying to explore or practice, then I suggest to go with this. So the only difference you get is here you will get a free theme. Okay, you need to choose a free theme and you have a free domain. Free domain, while I say free domain in the sense, suppose let me show you. Continue with the Google. I'll try to take some website. Okay, suppose now this is the website I'm creating. See, it's as simple as that. Okay, ఇది రియల్ గా మీరు వర్డ్ ప్రెస్ వెబ్సైట్ లో చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలాగే ఉంటుంది. దేర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ మచ్ చేంజ్. బట్ ఓన్లీ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఇట్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఎ హ్యూజ్ డేటాబేస్, ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఫ్రీ కాబట్టి. మీరు ఇక్కడ లోగో అప్లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు, ఇక్కడ మీ వెబ్సైట్ అప్లోడ్ చేయొచ్చు. సపోజ్ నా బిజినెస్ నేమ్ ఏదో మీడియాసి ఆర్ విజయ్ మీడియాసి సంథింగ్ ఏదో ఇస్తాను నేను. విజయ్ మీడియాసి సంథింగ్ వాల్యూ. యూ జస్ట్ నీడ్ టు గివ్ ఎ బ్రీఫ్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్. వి ఆర్ ఏ or let's say let me give it a, or otherwise let me remove this. Digital marketing. So we are a digital marketing company. Continue. Now see, this is a beauty where you can see all these are themes. Okay, these are all ready-made themes. Even if you don't understand how to design, it's as simple like Canva. Canva is one place where we design the posters. So it will look like, see, wherever the upgrade is there, these are the premium ones. But even if you don't want to do that, you can take any free ones. So suppose let me take one of the free one for now. Let's take okay, let me take this one. So now this is the theme which is already there. Okay, now I can on the left side you can see I can change the colors, whatever the different variations, and then I can continue. Here it will ask to pay, but you can click on decide later. So now it will show you guys the editor. So this is looks like a real WordPress website. See, WordPress is a one such website. Almost you can say it's an open source. Almost 70% of the businesses are using this. Okay, this WordPress. On the left side, you can see there is upgrade and all. It will ask, but you don't need to do this anything. Domain. If you want to upgrade a domain or host theme, you can do this. Otherwise, you can just leave it. And what you need to do is you need to edit that site design. Okay, edit. If you click on edit the site design, then it will take you to the editor. Now this is the actual editor where you can edit the website, where you can change the text, to change the images. You can simply play with it. Okay, like the way you want. So this is the theme we selected. Let's say now I want to change the text. Suppose the art of connection. I'll just double click, or I'll just click on. I'll remove. Just a second. Duplicate. I don't know why I'm not able to edit. I should be able to edit this. Delete. Delete. So see, I have deleted the existing one. I'll write a best digital marketing agency. So this is the one. Now I can click on the image. I can change this image. Here again. Replace. Open media library. Select the files. Let me select. Okay, let me select something. So I just for the temporary purpose, I am just put some image. So I think I need to adjust the dimensions of this image because that is not the actual with not with the actual dimensions. Yeah. So basically, process I think you can play with this complete website, okay, and save it. But the real magic comes later. Let me show you guys. So here you can see the navigation. If you want to edit the navigation, if you want to add the new pages, add new page, write the title, edit the page. So everything you can create a private pages. You can publish. See, but only thing is since it's a free, the domain comes like this. Initially, I have given digital marketing, right? So that's why it is showing digital marketing 594. Why it is taken 59422? Because digital marketing is a generic word. So there are a lot of people may have created with that. Okay, so if I give Vijay Marketing Agency something, then it may have not given this number. .wordpress.com because it's a free website. It will include the .wordpress.com. So now yes, yeah, tell me.
ఎప్పుడైతే మనం అమౌంట్ అనేది పే చేసినప్పుడు డొమైన్ కి లిస్టింగ్ అవుతుంది.
Exactly. మనం న్యూ డొమైన్ చూస్ చేసుకొని కొనుక్కోవాలి. I need to purchase and we need to link. ఓకే ఇయర్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు డాష్ బోర్డ్ లోకి వెళ్తే దీస్ ఆర్ ద వెబ్సైట్స్ జనరల్లీ మేము ఎస్ఈఓ చేసే వెబ్సైట్స్ అన్ని దీస్ వెబ్సైట్స్ ఓన్లీ మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద వెబ్సైట్స్ వర్డ్ప్రెస్ వెబ్సైట్స్ ఓన్లీ సీ హియర్ యూ జస్ట్ నీడ్ ఆన్ ద టాప్ రైట్ దెర్ ఇస్ స్కిప్ ఫర్ నౌ మీకు లాస్ట్ టైం కృష్ణ గారు ఐ థింక్ ఐ హావ్ గివెన్ యూ ద యాక్సెస్ దివ్యా ఐ డోంట్ నో డిడ్ ఐ గివెన్ యూ ద యాక్సెస్ ఆర్ నాట్ రిగార్డింగ్
No, sir.
credentials
No, sir.
but anyway not required basically see these are the options even if I give also these are the options which I want you to explore. Okay, you can create
Okay.
posts, you can create a pages, you can add your media. If you are into if you want to select a e-commerce store, then you can explore this WooCommerce. Okay, you can start your new store. There are plugins, for SEO or for increasing the speed, whatever you want to do. So, but it is asking you need to update your business plan to install plugins. Get a free domain with that. Yeah. So, but for practice, I suggest to take something. Okay, because if you have something, it's good to practice. Am I clear?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other questions or any other doubts? Once you are done with creating your site, then you can launch. So once you launch, then you will see the actual website. So I think that is more or less, clear, everyone.
Yes, sir.
So let's try to finish the pending website. Try to create a one free website at least, even if you did not install plugins and all. But even if you just for a practical purpose, if you design some page or some website, then you will understand the things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's it. Any other questions? And anyone have any other questions? Any other doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, then thank you. Let's meet tomorrow then. Okay, tomorrow morning.
Okay, sir.
Let's have a Google Ad session. Done then.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good night, sir.